Hi everyone, welcome to the video today. Today we're going to be looking at a new feature just released today from GrooveFunnels. Is the GrooveVideo. Here we got the GrooveVideo icon now available, and the three menu options are home, which is this, videos, analytics. Go to videos. I have no videos. We have videos, integrations. Integrations looks like it's if you want to add your own storage. So it's an S3 integration, I think. I'm not sure. Alright, let's go to videos. Let's add a video. Let's say lens first video. Testing out GrooveVideo. Create. Alright, upload video. Alright, let's find a video here. Let's grab, here's one here. Alright, it's uploaded. Now it's encoding. Encoding. Alright, processing complete. Okay. Alright, now let's go down these options here. Display, responsive, or fixed. I think that means the size can adjust on its own of the video. We'll leave it to responsive. Splash image or logo watermark. Let's try adding a watermark. Oh, it just takes one from our gallery. Let's stick my face in there. Mute on start, show controls. Oh, so you can not show the play button, so you're forced to watch it, or the pause. Autoplay on load, sure, let's autoplay. Show overlay title. Overlay. Testing GrooveVideo. How about we say mute and where's autoplay? That's not autoplay. The video is a painting of my daughter just painted. Alright, call to action. No, settings. I did that. Call to action. Okay, we want a new call to action. Opt-in form. Add an opt-in to unlock form. Add an opt-in form to your video. Okay, so let's do that. Display at the beginning, start at the 0. Okay. Oh, opt-in. Yeah, okay, right at the beginning. And or we can say at 5 seconds. Headline. Who else is trying out GrooveVideo? Show skip button. Sure, we can skip it. Create. And can we do more than one? A banner. Let's do a banner. Next. Oh, we can display that, but it doesn't know how long my video is, so. Oh, we can choose an image. Let's choose these two dudes with sweaters on. Let's just show at the beginning. Oh, we can put a URL. Let's put my www.groovewithlen.com, new website that is still being worked on. And we can skip it if we want and create. Alright, so we have an opt-in form, a banner, text overlay, add lower third text. Oh, some text on the bottom. That's cool. Hi everyone. Can I do that without a hyperlink? No, it doesn't want to work. Okay. And text overlay with CTA. Third text overlay with a button on top of your video. Oh, cool, a button on top. Text. We have button. And www.groovewithlen.com. Oops. .com. Create. Create. Okay, these last two don't seem to want to work. Okay, we got two anyways. Alright, end action. Oh, something at the end. Just end the video. Loop the video from the beginning. Okay, let's try that. Just the end. Save and exit. Okay, now we got our video here. I was going to say, what do we do with it? How do we get into a Groove page? But it looks like we need to use embedded code. So we'll copy the code. Then we'll go, okay, we got it. We'll go over to GroovePages. We'll use one of my test pages here. Let's create a new page. Let's create page blank. So we got page 7. Okay. And we want to add a block. We want an empty block. Put empty block in there. Go down to elements. We want some code. Let's see how fast I can find it. Ooh, found it quick this time. There's the code. And we'll edit the code. And we just paste in the code from GrooveVideo. Save her up. And there's our video. And if we save it, actually let's go over to page 1, the home page, and let's add a button, solid button. Let's just add a button here. And we're going to say page 7. We're going to link to a page, and we're going to page 7. Update. We're going to save that. We're going to publish it. Oh, it's still saving. Okay, maybe I have to publish again. Probably. It was publishing while saving, so something might have got missed. And then we go to the page here, and we click on page 7, and we have our video here. If we hit play, okay, we got these dudes. We can skip it. If we click on them, it goes over to here. My web page that we work on, and then it was playing the video. Let's go back to the beginning. Let's refresh. Okay, we'll play. Okay, we'll skip this time. And then at 5 seconds, 3, 4, 5, near the end, now it asks for the email. So len@gmail.com. Submit. Now, did that go into my integration automatically? Go to MailChimp. And it is not there. I put LEN with lots of N's. It is not there. But where would the integration be? If I go to page 7, this is just embedded code. So there's no integration there. And you can't just drag the integration from here because that'll create a new one. So if we go back to GrooveVideo, check out our video here. Video, edit. So there's a call to action, but there's nowhere to say where to integrate with. I mean, I have the integration with MailChimp, but there's not really any settings. It's just the API key to go to MailChimp, but the integration the opt-in form should take care of it, but it's not really doing that yet. Alright, so that may be coming soon, but at least it started, it was released, and you have access to it now, which is good. If you want to give it a try, so if you want to try out GroovePages, if you haven't tried it out yet, you can sign up still for free. They still have the free option. Doesn't include GrooveVideo, you'll have to pay for that. If you want to get everything, where you get the gold package, actually the platinum package, because the platinum package includes everything: GrooveSell, affiliate, video, leads, abandonment, blog, desk, calendar, survey, quiz, webinars, live webinars, automated webinars, and you get a GrooveCart store. That's down here. I'll show you. Over here, because you also get, over here, instant access to GrooveCart, Groove webinars, automated webinars, and all the other options, including GrooveVideo that we were trying out today. And how much is the price? Still $13.97, $1,397. And that's it. Never have to pay again. It's a deal of the century. It's only the beginning of the century. If we click upgrade, there you can choose how you like to pay. One time is the cheapest, and you can do monthly, 6 months, 6 payments, or 3 payments. And here's the free page. I'll put this link in the description below also. All you need here is your name, email address, username, and password, and that's it. No credit card, nothing. You don't get GrooveVideo with this. It's optional with GrooveVideo. Powerful video marketing built right in. Optional. So that's optional with the GrooveVideo platform. Same with GrooveMember and GrooveMail. But you do get GroovePages to try out. Anyway, that's my video for today. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time.